Knock knock. I heard a lady that makes biscuits lives here.
Guess what? Is it time for dinner?
The definition of small.
Are you for real? Are you proud?
This is my favorite comment from the last video. What are some of the most unique names you've heard for a cat?